Show it bigger, bigger. Show more to the car, more to the car.
No, he's looking at his phone.
What's up, dudes and dudes? I am vlogging. Yes, you see me right. I am actually vlogging. Resident 405. Okay, sorry for the disturbance. Yes, as you guys heard, I'm vlogging full time. You're gonna see my stupid, miserable life. Take 3. So I'm just gonna be documenting my whole life every single day, just achieving that goal of becoming a YouTuber, bro. That's been the longest dream till now, and here we are.
People
Filming it every fucking day, non-stop. So, for those of you who don't know who I am, I used to customize jackets for a living and give it to all these celebrities and music artists. And I used to not really vlog much. I used to not show like a lot of insights about my life. But then, that's not the way, bro. Like, I want to vlog. I want to show, you know, what is this art called vlogging every single day, non-stop. I'm going to try my best my hand is paining. I'm going to try my best until I'm hugely successful in this. There's no quitting, because Kelsa illa guru. We need to do this. Please join the clan just by subscribing, bro. Please support me, and I'll do my best to keep you guys entertained. So right now, me and the boys are heading out to this next fashion audition that's happening in JW. It's associated with Enega, and yes, we are going to try our best. And as you guys can see, I've changed a lot. I am not the same kid. Right now, I've been working on my body every single day, hitting the gym, looking fine as hell. Support me, guys. Welcome your new YouTube sensation, JohnD'arte. So guys, we just finished our what did we just finish on? So we just finished our height check, and turns out mine is bigger than his. I guess they're gonna click some pictures of us, I guess. I'll show you that also. See, first of all, no, I should not say it out loud here. Okay, we'll just go finish our shit and we'll come back to the vlog. Even if we don't make it into the fashion team, we still don't we still don't care, bro. We still don't care, because I'm a full-time vlogger, bro. I'm a vlogger.
Fucking get that shit out of my face.
Look at who made it out of the dead. Hi.
Metro stuff.
Hi. Why are you so early?
Because the metro was pretty early.
Damn, bro, you're glowing. Can you please go there? Check your height there. Give your name there. Go to the first floor and they'll shoot a wedding picture for you. So please go there. Right? Oh, that weight cutting actually worked. Now tell me you can't see. There's a stupid dude who's raising his hand. I don't know why. But look at this, man. Look at this.
Okay.
Look at that super jack. Dwayne biceps.
Hey, there's some education excellence thing going on. We go there.
Why will they take a dropout?
I got degree.
Bro, degrees now in our generation doesn't make sense, bro. I see teenagers earning crores.
Mom and dad are happy.
One 17-year-old and one 30-year-old.
I can fit rice in your pants. Literally.
That's what it is. Rather than some skinny.
This is skinny for you.
So we have the commando pants. We spotted angels, not the girls, yeah.
I didn't say anything. I didn't say anything.
And the next supermodel, Sama.
We're doomed. I swear to God. With this
Sir,
camera,
can I have a selfie?
We're stuck with this camera.
I guess he got selected.
Yeah.
He rizzed them up.
You're the model.
Bro, we are
I came for the vlog.
No. We are too big to get selected here. They'll only call us in a while, you know.
Number Vishan.
Guys, they're thinking you people watching are a bunch of jokes and you're not supporting me, it seems. They think that you guys won't make me grow.
Yeah.
Bro, shut up, bro. They'll unsub.
What are we supposed to do? Is it done?
See, if they're interested in your beautiful face, they'll call you. Or if they're not, we'll call them.
Vlog stops here. It's the bloody washroom.
We don't stop. We don't stop. Oh fuck. We don't stop until my
People
fucking.
have seen us here
we
4
don't-
times
We don't
already.
stop until my phone fucking dies. You get it?
We've seen it.
It's the bloody washroom.
People have seen
We
us
don't give a
5 times.
shit if it's the washroom. We don't give a shit if it's the washroom.
We've come here 5 times.
Yeah, bro. We need to check out the.
Okay, Dad, you've got good.
You say they don't complain about the beard. Why? Because they don't like beard. I always thought having a
has
beard
no
is
beard.
manly.
Why does he? You can't even do that.
Fucking hell! They know pieces of shits like me will come and press all the
Oh fuck,
buttons.
we should have gone here.
To the Batmobile. It's here, 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 it's here. Bro, let's go.
Baba Bowie.
We have the racetrack 42. What was the valet guy talking about?
Probably thinking your motherfuckers are waiting for this car to get in. Unlock it.
Open. Yes, thank you. We just ran out of the fashion show because there's no point in sitting and waiting there. We are on our way to make stuff happen and also eat something, bro, because I've not eaten except
None of us have.
a very nice banana coffee. It's a basic blend of banana, milk and decoction. It's amazing. It's loaded with shit.
Fitness with John.
Also, speaking about facts, you know why I love this car? Like, you know why I love it so much? It's like Hogwarts, just one fucking location for 10 fucking parts. Bro, they were in one fucking big ass castle
these
for
women are here
10 fucking years, bro.
See, I'm Dumbledore up in this bitch, okay? So please. Dumbledore up there.
Plywood down, no. Dash, go bang. Ooh. Okay guys, let me just quickly explain what's gonna happen next in the vlog. We ended up going to this hotel. We heard that Diljit Dosanjh, the famous Punjabi singer, is staying there. So we wanted to shush man. We wanted to give him a custom-made jacket. They didn't let us vlog at the start, so I couldn't really tell you guys what was happening. But now that you guys know it, let's quickly jump back into the vlog. Yeah, the famous rapper who's staying there. Actually, I had to meet his manager. I had to drop off a jacket. To whom jacket? I had to give it to him. I'll just call her.
So they have already booked for it or how?
No, I was sent from Mayuk, the organizer of the event. He told me to give the jacket here.
You can give it to us. We'll deliver it upstairs. No, he has said deliver me upstairs. He's coming. He's coming in 5 minutes. So you can be comfortable. Just call him.
Can I have a glass of water?
Yeah, sure. It can be done.
See, there's no possibility on them screwing us because they are not losing anything. Neither are we. Because we can just open up and say, sir, it was a fan-made jacket. We made it custom. We want to give it to him. And it's a big deal if we pull it off.
Mom, we get the camera.
I have the phone. It's recording since that time.
Yeah.
I need to keep it ready.
Yeah.
Yeah, either we are deadly screwed or we are just pulling off the biggest thing by far.
Coolest thing ever.
It worked the last time for me and I pray to God it works this time. I don't know guys, my heart's beating very high.
We're in the same building. We're in the same building.
Technically it feels like we were there.
Yeah.
Let's hope his manager is not rude and very... Like that dude we spoke outside the hotel.
Yeah. What if it's him? What if it's him?
His bodyguards are dangerous, bro. Fuck. Here goes
Who's
nothing.
jacket?
Sorry guys, I had to come back again. So the manager of the hotel got to know me and my friend were not a part of his fashion team. They politely told us to fuck off from there. But we spotted his bodyguard. We thought we could go and try talking to his bodyguard to somehow help us give the jacket to him. But then this happened.
Like custom banaya.
So I wanted to give it to him. No, I can give it to you. I can drop it off to you. आपको ही दूंगा. उनको दे सकते हो.
ऐसा नहीं.
पूरा टाइट है. Well, we tried. But look at the way we asked people that he was here. We confirmed that he was here.
We figured it out.
We even spoke to his bodyguard who's literally going to stand next to him. But unfortunately, we couldn't give this to him. But then I tried guys, and one day when my channel's big or one day when I'm big, definitely meet him. And when he's back one day, hopefully we make it.
The next time he's
And
back,
he recognizes who we are, and he takes the jacket from us. But until then, it's okay. It's not a problem. I thought, okay, bro, like maybe in a few minutes, his manager is gonna walk right in front of us, and maybe we can just give it to him.
And then they just called us a scam for some reason.
Show it bigger, bigger. Show more to the car, more to the car.
No, he's looking at his phone.
So quick plan, guys. We missed him when he was actually leaving the hotel on his Conway. He was on his phone. And
So close.
yeah, we were so close. But my boys are saying never give up. Let's fucking go to the venue, and we are gonna try to. We're gonna. They think that we can beat that Conway and actually, try to give it to him. Yeah, I know. And bro, if it happens, when it happens, it's gonna be the most lit shit of this year. But guys, I know the map of nice. What is it? I know that map of that nice ground, whatever. It's a fucking huge place with a lot of security. I don't even know how we are gonna make it inside.
It's a convoy. They're not going to stop.
They'll make us stop, da. Again, it's a long shot going there. Okay, we're going.
You won't see him drive like that.
Third is the charm. Third is the charm.
Third the fucking job. Let's fucking go. Move, bitches. Get out the way.
Third is the charm. Whoa. Bro, this looks like a game.
I need a siren on my car, I swear.
Bro, it's gonna be the best vlog ever.
I swear, bro.
We're starting it off with a bang.
We'll catch up to them if we're driving fast enough on the road, right?
Little update on why we are rushing and acting like he's playing a game. First time we went into the hotel, me and Sham, we pretended like we are his fashion designers and we wanted to give him the jacket.
Which was such a stupid thing.
But we were very close, but then we failed successfully, as he told. And then the second time, we wanted to stop his Conway and give him the jacket.
We were shoving the jacket
Where
on
he
the
was
car.
texting someone.
Yeah.
And he didn't even look at the jacket. Now, the third time, we want to make it to the venue before he makes, and again do the same old thing again.
Diljit, if you ever watch this, we're doing this for you.
Yeah.
For
So
you.
much.
Yeah.
So much, bro. So much of effort.
I'm risking my mom's car.
So you guys got,
Yes.
got the update. Now we're on the mission to give him the jacket. What's happening in Bangalore? First the weather, next the bus being towed. I know you guys would have thought that okay, there's some progress in the video now. No. We exited the hotel. We came about 1 or 2 kilometers and we're stuck here from fucking that time, bro.
Signals open.
Ain't not as much.
See. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Damn, bro. 8.
Move.
8, 9. Go!
Please go.
9. Go. Now if it stops, no.
Go.
We're crossing the line. Yeah, let's go. But there's still no point. Update on the vlog. As you can see, my
Got it nowhere.
voice tone has changed. So you know the situation's changed.
Got it nowhere.
Bro, I don't know why. Out of all the days, I don't know why today only too many cars, too many bikes, too many.
Can you call that event 8?
Yeah.
Hey, that guy sounded very rude, bro. Last time when I called him, morning.
When did you call first? Night
I called, morning I called. He's like, buddy, I have a show to run, that. And then what is that? If they're not responding, maybe I don't think so there's any chances of it happening. I'm sorry. I myself am late to my own show. We are back and
What were we thinking coming here?
look at the people. This was nothing, bro. This was literally nothing. Guys, look at the parking lot. No, you'll be surprised on how many people pulled up. But
Imagine how much you'd have made in revenue, God.
hey, he is expensive to come to Bangalore, bro.
Though it's his store.
Yeah, he's very expensive.
He's not going to compromise on it because he probably came from nothing.
Yeah.
And he's worth a lot.
Exactly, even we are coming from nothing. Please
Yeah.
take jacket. Please take jacket.
My God, bro.
Oh my God.
Everyone's dressed so desi here. Planned,
Successfully
but
failed again.
I wish I was a bird, a bald eagle. Just fucking
Yeah.
take the jacket, throw it, and come
Yeah.
back. कोई भी नहीं help करेगा. Don't tell me we'll pull off one of Iraq's moves. Iraq is a YouTuber who sneaks into events, no?
Oh yeah.
Can you write our names on Wikipedia?
Huh.
And we'll be there for 5 minutes or something. We'll show we are his cousins.
Wait, there's
And
a
we have come to
parking
give his
charge.
jacket.
We'll tell we are his cousins. You believable? Him somewhere? Me? No way.
I am disappointed that there's a parking charge.
Sir, illa ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ you tell. No, honestly tell.
ಎಷ್ಟು?
200.
Sir, ಇಲ್ಲ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ sir, exiting.
ಎಕ್ಸಿಟ್. ಹೌದಾ? ಮತ್ತೆ ಎಕ್ಸಿಟ್ ಹೇಗೆ? ನಿಮಿಷ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಹಾಕೋತೀನಿ ರೀ. ಮತ್ತೆ?
Tell him we are not even staying. We're leaving.
Nobody's taking tokens, just go.
We'll exit off.
Bro.
Bro, no.
Guys, there are at least 1,000 cars here. And each dude paid 200 bucks to get in. This is separate from his ticket.
Yeah.
I think you'll have to take a U-turn. There's a land there, not to the left. Where the trucks are parked. There's a space for the car to go.
There's people.
ಅವರು ಯಾರನ್ನು ನೋಡಲ್ಲ, ನೋಡಿದ್ರು ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನೇ ಯಾರಿಗೂ ಇದು ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಫ್ಲೈಟ್ ಇಂದ ಇಳಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ, ಓನ್ ಫ್ಲೈಟ್ ಚಾರ್ಟರ್ಡ್ ಫ್ಲೈಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿದ್ದು,
ಅದಕ್ಕೂ ಬಿಡಲಿಲ್ಲ.
ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಬೈದ್ರು, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಫೋಟೋ ತೆಗ್ದು.
This man is totally serious.
ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಟೆಲ್ ಹತ್ರ ಬಂದಿದ್ವಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್.
ಬಿಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ, ಬಿಡಲ್ಲ.
ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಏನು ಆರ್ಗನೈಸರ್ಗೆಲ್ಲ ಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ವಿ, ಅವ್ರನ್ನೂ ಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ.
ಅದು ಅವ್ರದ್ದೆಲ್ಲ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇದೆ, ಸೆಕ್ಯೂರಿಟಿ ರೀಸನ್ ಇಂದ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ
ಅದು ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಹೇಗೆ ನೋಡಿ ರೋಡ್ ಬಂದು
ಅವ್ರಂಗೆ ಸಿಂಗರ್ ಒಬ್ಬರನ್ನ ನೋಡಿಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು 3 ವರ್ಷದ ಹಿಂದೆ.
ಹೌದು.
ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ಒಂದು ಇನ್ಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇವ್ರಿಗೆ
ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಇವರು ಅವರಷ್ಟೇ ಫೇಮಸ್.
We still tried one last time to get in touch with Diljit.
We'll go put a walk, see how.
Yeah, let's just get crowd
Okay,
reactions.
fine.
He came to
Let's get crowd reactions actually. Yeah, let's go. We'll come to this
Damn, paradise.
paradise.
The
And then
people
there's
going
that-
in the metro will be like, wow. What do you guys say, bro?
I think we made a bad decision.
Damn, bro.
Who is this guy, bro? Damn.
This guy is serious.
This guy is serious. Oh my God,
You get killed there.
bro.
People won't even know.
Okay.
That's how you feel when you pee after an hour.
We don't have to stop and all.
Listen, should we?
Hey, yeah.
We don't have
We
to stop.
own this shit.
Just take him down. It's good.
It was unfortunate that we didn't get Diljit
Dosanj.
Dosanj. We didn't get him. But it's okay, bro. That's not gonna stop me from vlogging. You know that, oh?
Mom, I'm telling you, 4th time is the charm.
So, guys, we're back. Tried our best on that mission.
Yeah, the place looks pretty though.
Yeah,
You
it's
should see now they put
it's
purple
Christmas.
lights and all.
It's the best. It's the best time of the year, bro. It's Christmas.
Christmas is here.
Christmas is here.
Holiday season is upon us.
Santa Claus is to the right.
Oh.
Hey!
Take a left.
It was sad that we couldn't,
Take a U-turn, right.
make the mission possible. It's okay, bro.
Scream the house number.
There's another day every day.
There's another day every day.
We have come to the last segment of the vlog in the car again because we just wanted to go grab something to eat and we had some discussion on some film making stuff that we are also concentrating on. Damn, fun.
New content soon, boys.
Yes. In case. No, what in case? I know you guys like this vlog, okay? It was interesting. We tried to pull off so many things in one day.
In one day, yeah.
We just traveled half the
Stuck
day.
in traffic.
Half the day. Like, share, support, guys. Support. The only way to support is also by subscribing. So please do that. Join the clan. I see you guys tomorrow in another new vlog. Peace.